Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a BMW E46, so that will be the generation 1998 to 2005. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove or replace front door panel. This is a two-door convertible, but the coupe, the coupe and the sedan will be very close procedure. The coupe will be identical actually, the CI. So stay with us, we'll show you how to remove door panel, front right. Front left will be almost identical procedure with some minor differences here and there. We will explain it, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So all the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video. Now the first step will be to remove a cap right here. There is one cap. So we have to be careful which way we remove that thing. Okay, you can see it just pops open like that. There is one screw. Now underneath that airbag cover there is another bolt that we'll need to be removing. So with a plastic panel removal tool there is two teeth like this one. You have to push them in and pull it out. Okay, you can see those are the teeth right there, and we removed it because right here inside there is one bolt. So now we'll be using Torx 20, it's coming out of this set, and we're going to remove this screw right there. Okay, perfect. One more under the handle. It goes kind of like in an angle. Okay, you can see how the screwdriver is in an angle. So this one was really tight. You have to use the correct tools, otherwise you can damage those screws and it will be really hard to remove them. Okay, once you get this one loose, I don't know if it's going to pop out of there for sure or not. Okay, let's see with the magnetic screwdriver if we can pull it out. Or it's not going to. Okay, we'll get the small pliers. We won't even get the pliers. I think when we pull the panel out it will come out because I couldn't find the pliers. So we'll get a panel removal tool, a fat one. Okay, and we'll start prying the clips open now. Once we remove the door panel, I'll show you where all the clips are located. And I don't think this panel has ever been removed because it's really tight. Okay, one clip fell off. We'll show you how to install them if they come loose. And now right here, another bolt that we missed. Okay, it's the same one like the one on the other side. It goes in an angle like that. So altogether we have 4 bolts. Okay, now it needs to slide up, I think. We'll check in a second. Also guys, one more hidden bolt. That's a good thing to watch the video before you do it, so you don't break your stuff, and we can break our stuff by showing you where things are. Okay, this one is a little bit hard to see there. Okay, this is the screw, you can see long screw. Now we have to lift up. Okay, it should go up. Okay, like that. You can see those clips need to come loose. Okay, all those clips need to come this way, and then you need to pick it up a little bit. But mostly it slides this way. Okay, let me show you where all the clips are in a second. But before, let's disconnect. Okay, the door handle here and the cables. This is the wire for the speaker there, for the tweeter. This is the speaker wire. Press both things together. Okay, and this one, okay, you just pry this one out and stay with us, we'll show you how to install it later. And now let us show you where all the clips are on the back side. Okay, when we install the panel, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7, 8, one's missing there, 9, 10, 11. Plus on top you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. So you can see how many clips. We lost one of them, so we'll grab it and install it quick. Okay, let me pick it up. Okay, it went over here under the car. So replacement clips, guys, you can find online, but most of the times they don't break, they just come off. So installing the door panel, it's pretty simple, but how you install the door handle? That door handle has to be closed all the way. Close it. Now go in on the front side. Okay, didn't go in all the way. More. Okay, like that. Hold the door handle closed, put it together, push in, and you can see it works great. So that's how we do it. So that's how you guys remove the door panel. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. Please subscribe, many more videos to come, and see you next time.